Today I'll be showing how to install the VirtualBox guest editions in Zentyal. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm not too sure. Zentyal. Anyway, I installed it to play and see how this thing works. I'd like it to have a full screen view on it, so the normal route of going to install guest editions obviously does not work. So how do we do this? Click on your terminal here. We need to go to sudo su in there, type in your password, then we do an update. Let it run through and update our system for us, so it's the latest version. All the packages are checked. Ah, that was nice and quick. Next, distribution upgrade. Yes, we want 248 megs, not too many. Too much hard drive space, 248 meg, yeah. Let's go. This could take a while. Yeah, it's gonna definitely take a while on my little 10 meg line. When I get back, I will show you the rest of the steps. And we're back. Okay, so the next step would be to reboot the server. Maybe if I put my mouse in the right window, it would work. So let's reboot that. Okay, I'm back in. Now apparently we can go here and say install guest editions, and that's still not working. So the other steps that I've read here, and I'll post a link to this forum that I've found, is to sudo dash space su again, type in your password again, and we do another apt-get install build essential. Yes, we want to continue. And it's another, but the 64 meg download shouldn't take too long. Okay, after a long struggle and some web surfing, I found a solution to the problem I had. So we were at installing Build Essential, so that ran fine. I've already installed the Linux headers, but I'm going to show you how. Okay, so now we need to use, where's my terminal? There we go. So sudo su, and we put in the password. So what we need to do next after the build essential is go apt-get install Linux dash headers dash dollar uname dash r and enter. So you'll see mine's already done. Yours will run through quite quickly. My problem came with mounting the CD-ROM. So this first link that I'm going to post below the video is going to show you the following. So I'm not sure if this is because of a version change or exactly what. I'm too lazy to go and find out what the exact problem is. So they want us to run this command. As you can see, that's not working. Then I found another blog. That blog also kind of put me in the right spot, but that didn't work. So then I found another blog. So what we need to do is run the following. Sudo, let's see if I can click in here, sudo mount. Um, oh no, wait, I'm lying. The second blog was a correct blog, which I struggled a bit with. So it would be mount. If I just keep clicking on the right screen. Dev / CD-ROM / media / CD-ROM. Almost know this by heart by now. Let's create that. Enter. Okay. Then you'll see you get the right protected mounting, read only, blah blah blah. Just on that, I'm using the latest download from Zentyal's website, and it might be that some things have changed under the bonnet. So now I've done my mount. So here's the kicker. I needed to mount this, and I struggled my backside off, so I could basically list the directories, but I couldn't install. For some reason, I couldn't get this install working. So the next command would be sudo sh / media / CD-ROM, because that's where our mount point is, and then vbox Linux editions.run. So mine, for some reason, only shows this. Let me show you. What am I doing? Media, not mount. See, I just want to mount stuff now. So, if you look here, I don't have a VBox Linux Editions -x86 or -AMD64. I'm not too sure what the reason for that is, but yeah, this is what I've got. So this is the one I need to run. You might have to run the VBox Linux Editions x86 or AMD64, but you can read about that on these links I'm going to post a bit later on in this video. So this is the one I want to run. I'll go enter, all good. It's removing the previously installed VirtualBox Editions. Now it's building the main guest editions module. This took I'd say about 30 seconds or so. Wasn't too long. Then I rebooted my virtual machine and I could open it in a full screen. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful, because I really thought I'm going to make a quick video. It's going to take me 5 minutes. It took me about half an hour to do all this. So let's reboot this machine. And when it's up, I'll go into full screen, which I won't be able to show you now. Have fun, and now it's time to play with Zentyal.